basa ng Toastmasters Magazine kasi kasama sa binabayaran natin to eh. So, nabasa niyo ba itong sinentro na from Toastmasters Magazine?
Yung ilan, yung mga naka-highlights.
Okay. In here, wise words on leading others. This was the topic on this article. So there are different people who has these quotable quotes. So how, for you, which of those quotable quotes struck you the most on leading others? Kasi there are quotes from Paulo Coelho, Simon Sinek, Nelson Mandela, Helen Keller. Ayan.
Maliit eh. Wait.
Sige. Try nating lakihan. Kaya ko bang lakihan?
Yun, medyo lumaki.
Ayan. Kasi in here, actually for me, what struck me the most was the words from Paulo Coelho. The world is changed by your example, not by your opinion. Kasi for me, a leader should be an example. Should be a leader by example. Hindi siya yung uh, hindi siya yung basta-basta nagmamanage, hindi siya basta-basta boss. Basta kung ano yung gusto mong, a leader should also be a follower. That's what I meant. How about you, Betchay? Pwede mo basahin muna and then internalize natin.
For me, it's what struck me the most is the quote uttered by Nelson Mandela.
This one.
Lead from the back and let others believe they are in front.
Okay. It's good.
Because leadership for me is about service eh.
Mm-hmm.
To lead is also to go beyond, to go above and beyond what you can offer. So I don't take it as yung leadership is not of authority, does not come from authority alone or position. It comes from, it's a leadership for me is a key of influence eh. So
Yeah.
if yes, so if you lead out of pure service, and let others believe they are in front, because leaders inspire others eh. Not leaders does not uh, lift up his own chair. So
Mm-hmm.
that's what I love about Nelson Mandela's quote, lead from the back and let others believe they are in front.
Correct. Yeah. Thank you for that, Betchay. How about you, Tita Lit?
I would like to quote Morag Mattison,
Morag Matis.
DTM 2023-2024 Toastmasters International President. He said, think about saying yes before you say no. What would it mean if I said yes? What doors would open? You know, sometimes when out of our inferiority complex or because we're scared and we would not want to try something new, it's so easy for us to say no. Naku, wag na, ayoko na muna. Pero if we would consider saying yes, that's really a big thing. That is really a leap of faith. But then we should believe that when we do a leap of faith, a door would definitely open. Kaya siguro very challenging talaga yung maisabuhay yung quotation na yon para mawala na sa buhay natin yung takot, yung pangamba. Taglish ako ngayon.
Okay lang.
At yun ang gusto ko talaga in my own personal life. I would like to say yes more often than saying no.
Mm-hmm. All right. Thank you for that, Tita Lit. Okay, because we are talking about leading others. How are you, Tita Lit, when you were a leader? For example, as president of Megawan Toastmasters Club years ago, or as area director, or as a leader in your church? How are you as a leader?
Parang wala akong ano, nawala. Tama ba? Hindi pa ako nakamute? You can
Wait,
still hear me?
yes, narinig ka pa namin, Tita Lid.
Okay, go. O, sige. Well, actually, when it comes to leadership, I would have to be honest na hindi ako ganun kahusay. But that is the very reason why I stay at Toastmasters, because this is where leaders are made. So I think there are really some people na parang yung pagiging leader, so natural for them. At meron pang ang kasabihan that leaders are born.
Mhm.
But I belong to those who believe that leaders are made. And even though I am really not so much a good leader, but I know I am changing, especially through those masters I am. And as a leader, how would I evaluate myself? I think honestly, from 1 to 10, 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest, I would grade myself as 6.
Mhm.
Just above the middle part. And I just hope I will keep on growing. Kasi kahit matagal na akong Toastmasters at ngayon nga ay nasa church leadership, ewan ko ba, parang ano ang tendency ko ay yung maging mabagal. Nauunahan ako ng marami, di ba? As a Toastmaster, ako nga ay matagal ng Toastmaster eh. Pero talaga up to now, hindi pa ako distinguished Toastmaster. And I don't see that as a problem. Pero sabi ko nga, now that I realize I'm not getting any younger, so I might as well really double the energy and work overtime. Kasi masyado akong challenge ng mga miyembro natin, especially our new members like Betchay, ano? Bago pa lang recruit, bago pa lang sali sa club, ay ang gagaling na nila. So, we are really in a very good club. And when talking about church, ako, hindi naman ako bago sa church leadership. Pero, for the past years, ano lang ako, assistant. No, may administrative pastor. Nandun lang ako sa pangalawa. I'm just an assistant to the administrative pastor. Pero this time around, ako na yung admin. Kaya talagang parang there's no other way but to really level up and to get bigger and tougher. Yeah, that's what I need to know. Kaya nga yung quotation na napili ko kanina, I would, this time of my life, choose to say yes more often than no, because that will push me to really be the best version of myself.
Thank you, Tita Lid. And good afternoon, Sir Mar, President.
Hi, good afternoon.
Oh, Mark, congratulations, ha?
Napanood namin yung speech mo na sinend sa group chat.
Ganun ba? I thought I did poorly because I struggled in there was a struggle in videoing.
Yeah. Actually, na-receive na ng organizers.
Uh,
And ayun. Maganda
Hintayin
yung
na lang natin.
maganda
Hintayin na lang
yung
natin yung yung
result.
verdict bukas kung tayo nakapasa o hindi.
President Mar,
oh,
ang result po mare-receive natin either tomorrow or Monday.
Yes, that's right.
ganun.
Yeah.
Is that the result or there is still a final? Is that there will be a runoff ba
Finally,
or
That's right.
yun po yung tayo po ay semi-finalist, and then
Yeah.
tomorrow or sa Monday ma-receive po natin yung finalist, yung list of finalists.
Yung qualified to the grand
for all
final.
for all the categories?
Yes
Yes.
po.
And then how many approximately tiga-anim the same?
7 finalists per category.
Oh, I see. Ganun pala. So, and that is the face-to-face next week sa Makati.
Parang hybrid. Pwede mag face-to-face, pwede pumunta on-site. Tapos yung mga malalayo, pwede naman pong online. So,
Yeah.
tingin ko, Sir Mar, parang mas kaya nyo kapag on-site.
Sige, willing legwork, pwede pa naman ako sa mga legwork, wag lang computer.
Pero po kapag for example, si Jeff makasama sa finalist, pwede siguro kayo magsabay.
Ah, sige. Hopefully.
Yan,
Yeah.
kaya rin.
Oh, nakakatakot naman pala. 9 out of contestant tapos 7 ang kasama ka pa. Kung lalo ang makakasama sa dalang ma-eliminate eh.
Ayun niyo po isipin niyo, mali mo meron po mag-overtime. Kayo, within time kayo eh.
Oo nga, yun nga iniwasan ko ma-overtime. Sabi ko hindi na baling kasi pag overtime zero chance ka eh dun sa ano kahit
Yeah.
0.1 0.2%
Yeah, oo.
ka na time.
Sayang, laglag ka na kaagad talaga pag
Mm.
Kayo, ano yung observation niyo, maganda yung observation niyo dun sa ano eh, sa test speaker.
Yeah. Ano nga, nagulat nga ako doon sa test speaker na yun eh. Siyempre may konting gulatan pagka ganun eh. Hindi mo in-expect na ano eh. Ayun lang.
Sir Mar, ngayon po we are doing this focus group discussion regarding
Yes.
an article from Toastmasters Magazine, July
Yes. Wise words.
Wise Words for leading on leading others. So
Uh,
these are some of the quotations or gems from different people all around the world. There are quotations from Simon Sinek, Helen Keller, Paulo Coelho, Nelson Mandela, and other Toastmasters.
yes.
So if uh, if you have read this article, which of these quotations is the most?
Actually, marami akong nakita dito na they were stated in a way. The good thing is, maganda naman ang pagkapili mo ng mga quotations kasi it's different from the quotations usually given by Toastmaster Julius Cruz. Kasi puro leadership ang
Oo.
kanyang ano eh. Mabuti naman dito walang nakahawig sa kanya, no? Parang marami ritong unconventional or something like a departure from the common one, like lead from the back and the others believe that they are in front.
This one.
Yes, intriguing pa lang pero hindi ko pa masasabing ano ko to. Nakaka-intrigue ito kasi pagka we are used to say follow the leader. Okay. Although it for me sits well kasi since Boy Scout, parang sa Boy Scout, merong Trail Scout, merong nasa front, merong nasa back. Eh, mas type ko ako yung Trail Scout noon eh.
Okay.
I learned, saka, wala akong maano rito, kundi na, ang tangi ko lang masasabi, ito, bagot sa akin, think about saying no before saying yes before you say no. Because this is a certainly a quality of an enterprising man na for the better part of my life, I have never been enterprising.
Mhm.
And sometimes our tendency is to count the cost, but we forgot that it will open a door of possibilities. So, I think for the rest of my life, itong magiging ano ko, think about saying yes before you say no.
Hmm.
Uh, uh, I think this is the most uh, feasible or the best quote that I can carry for the rest of my life. Kasi certainly I believe uh, the larger part of the larger portion of my life is in the past. So there is only a few years, relatively shorter na lang ang natitira sa buhay ko Hindi naman
Hanggang
sa ano.
300 years ka pa.
Kahit na mas marami pa rin yung pinagdaanan kaysa dadaan pa lang. And I think I'm compelled to apply this. Saying yes before you say no. Kung ang pag-uusapan na is unfulfilled, uh, ang dami noon in my life to be honest. So I I would adapt this siguro, maging personal sa akin ito, saying yes before you say no. Of
Mhm.
course, I have to say yes. I have to have this courage because courage is will take you farther than cowardice. And again, I have to say this yes because that is my battle cry. Kasi sooner or later, the muscles will be weak, the reflexes will be slow, the mobility may be restricted. So I'd rather live life to the fullest. I can only live life to the fullest by saying yes before I say no.
Okay.
Ah, yan na ano ko. Because for me, katulad ng speech ko dati, I am I love adventures kasi nga because of the movies na napapanood ko, and of course, if there is such a thing as create your own adventure, na dati the elements of having para to carry out that adventure is not present. I'm not, of course, I don't want to place the blame on mga mga family, parents, or those who did not give me a tap in the back. But now that I am resolved, ang kalabang ko naman is the agents of aging, like getting weak, getting slow reflexes, reduced vision, etc. So how can I still live that life of adventure? Uh, eh, ang ano ko pa naman, it's what sabi nga ni Helen Keller, ewan ko kung kasama rito, yung life is a daring adventure or nothing. Yan. So yun ang ano ko, ito, I think I will adapt this as a personal because you really can tell how whether there could be opportunities that are open now, but it may not be open. Kung minsan nga katulad ng yung ewan kung saan quotation yun nanggaling sa uh, like a river na it does not, yung particular water noon pass only once, hindi na po pwedeng umano yung water na yun na dumaan sa ganun. And I've proven that in my life na may mga opportunities na at one point open, lumipas lang ang 2 buwan na wala na. And mabuti naman, of course, I have a share of losses and share of gains. May mga, halimbawa, dati may mga books na available sa ano nga, hindi na available yung mga books na yon. May mga nung ano pa kasi halimbawa book sale, nung karamihan nagsasara na, marami akong nabili doon na book na hindi na available ngayon sa lalo wala na ngayon. And marami rin namang opportunity ako na nakuha nung in the course of my existence, like seeing Coron before it becomes progressive or tourist friendly. I saw Coron in its raw way back 1978, so that is 20
Virgin Island pa siya.
22 plus 25, 47 years ago, nakita ko yung Coron na puro lang noon is fishing ground lang, ganun. So there are opportunities, in other words, before you lose the frontier, katulad ng Dances with Wolves ni Kevin Costner na sabi, I want to see the frontier before it is gone. So yun ang mga parang mga adventure na habang naroon pa, there are some people na halimbawa kabarkada ng misis ko na the first and only time mawawala pala siya through breast cancer. Buti na meet ko for the last time nung huling magkita. Yung mga ganun, na may mga opportunities na available ngayon na hindi na available even kahit buwan lang or weeks hindi na available. Kaganon.
Okay. Thank you, President Mar. How about you, Betchay? How are you as a leader? For example, in your company or even in your family, how are you as a leader?
As I said before, um, leadership is for me is a service. So I as a leader, I am also a servant. I I usually I usually uh, think with the end in mind,
Mhm.
just like in the book Seven Habits of Highly Effective People. So as a leader, uh, I used to think all about the consequences of our actions. Mindfulness is number one quality of a leader also, because you have to be mindful of everything, maybe what you do, how you interact with other people, just like what I saw in Toastmasters Mekawayan.
Mhm.
I think even if I am serving with more, I think more than 10 years of experience in leadership, I have something to learn even more from the experiences of each member of Mekawayan Toastmasters. And one key is that as a leader, as part of this leadership in MTC, I've learned that environments, the environment I am in now demonstrates my performance.
All right.
So I have yet to know more,
Mhm.
learn more, and apply more as a leader. And you are all my inspiration.
Thank
That's
you for that, Betchay. Actually, any one of us is still learning. With the most tenured ones, for example, Tito Dan, Tita Christine, they're still learning here in Toastmasters because life is a never-ending cycle of learning. And then
yes.
we continue on learning more and more. Actually, even in technology, we're trying to teach technology here in Toastmasters, the use of technology, because technology is progressing. Leadership was also progressing. Personal development is also progressing. So that's why we need to be led and be mentored by each one of us here in Make Hawaiian Toastmasters Club. How are you? How about you, Sir Mar? How are you as a leader in your family, in your corporate way back, and in
Um,
Toastmasters?
I had to admit, uh, total, I believe I can be open to all of you, dahil mga friends ko kayo. Um, Leadership, uh, was came to me late
Mhm.
because I have worked 34 years in the government, and when I joined Toastmasters nung nandun pa ako sa Pinoy Leaders kay Donnie, hirap na hirap ako na anuhin yung project implementation, yung initiate a project, yung project implementation. Tagal ko nagkonsulta sa kanya kasi wala akong masay. Kasi because I have worked in the government, and the government track and file lang ako. I was never made a leader of any technical working committee. I was never given an opportunity to lead a project or yung times naman na nagpe-perform ako very well, syempre government yun. The
Mhm.
credit went to my bosses. Kaya nga medyo may mga heart, napakalalim ng heart. Yung mga ganon. I was never really given a uh, leadership position, hardly ever. Even sa hindi ko ayoko naman, of course I would not like uh, to say something about my family, hindi rin dahil nga dun sa klase ng culture or even pa rin yung sa parents namin. I was the the oldest. I was
Mhm.
the oldest in a brood of five, pero I was dahil sa style ng mga parents no, na sa iba parang hari ka na, parang yung kuyang parang ano, but it was not true in our case. Parang naiba. So in other words, kumbaga sa ano, the more siguro the more hunger or the more ako ng atat na ano, the more ko nakita na abay na deprive ako ng lahat ng leadership kasi position, not even in Boy Scout, because I was really frail and lanky when I was ano, even na hindi ako naging ano na kahit section 1, hindi mo lamang ako naging platoon leader or sabi squad leader, hindi ako nagkaroon ng anumang pagkakataon ah, na maging leader sa anumang endeavor. Siguro kung may papagawa lang, but then dahil nga sa politika sa opisina, I know I was doing well in terms of work, pero the credit goes, biro mo, Pilipino, ipapacheck sa boss sa isang mas mataas sa akin na hindi naman Tagalog. Yung mga ganun, all of this inabsorb ko lahat ng lahat ng kapangitan na sa ano sa government. Kaya and because government looks at the position rather than skill. So yung bureaucracy, yun ang isa sa mga ugly side. When the bureaucracy reared its ugly side, ang tinitingnan rango, not skill.
Mm.
Mm. So in other words, para akong pinagkaitan ng ng tsansa na maging leader of any project. Mga, di ba sa government, ang daming committee na pinoform diyan dahil puro yun na solution nila. Paramihan ng committee, ang committee naman, hindi naman rango based on rank, not based on skill or based on hard work. Hindi ganun eh. So, I don't want to sound pa-victim, but
Ah.
that what happened to me. Kaya nakita ko na lang na anong mag-retire ako, I retired early. Doon na ako na doon ko lang nakita yung ano ko, doon lang ako natawag na sir sa buong buhay ko. Doon lang oo, doon lang magturo ako ng sa college, yung mag-retire ako nung ko lang naranasan yun because I was never made a leader. Oo. I was really not made even leader of a working group or a coordinator of Hindi ako nabibigyan ng hindi ako nabigyan ng pagkakataon. I don't like to name my offices, but yung mga ganon.
Mm. Okay, President Mark, thank you for that. And now that you are the president of Make Hawaiian Toastmasters Club, now you are in the leadership position of our club. How can we help you so you can lead?
Um, so far, in many ways, katulad ng nasabi ko naman, lahat ng game ako, todo ako, lahat ng kung kailangan ng legwork, kung kailangan mag-travel, kung kailangan ng physical, yun lang talaga ako na kasi now
Technical.
that I am in the position to prove my to prove my work and to release all what I know. Dumating naman sa eksena tong technology na dito naman ako dumating sa eksena yung technology na mga mabagal na yung reflexes ko or hindi malabo na lumabo na mata ko to cope up. Alam mo naman computer is a game ng visual acuity. May ano yan, meron din sa left side, meron sa right side, merong pop up, merong kung ano-ano eh. So, yun ang naano ko.
Oh. At least kahit paano, Sir Mar, yung basic usage ng computer naman, kahit paano na catch up kayo. So, yung basic
Mm.
okay na yun. Yung
Oo.
pag-video at ayun, katulad ng ginawa niyo sa sa contest, yung pag-video, pag-send. Kaya,
Ah,
puro mainam na nagkaroon tayo talaga na technical rehearsal. Kahit paano,
mm.
alam natin na si Chris mag-send ng video sa
Mm.
organizer.
Yes, yun lang naman. And of course, siyempre, lahat ay gagawin ko. Salamat naman. Kasi support is not big. It's really mas maganda yung organization na support is not being requested.
Is
Uh,
initiated.
Support is given willingly, gladly.
Yeah. And yun din naman ang expectation natin sa lahat-lahat. We support each other. So we initiate support even sa mga non-officers, sa mga
Oo.
members. Yun yun.
Ayan, so yun lang. I hope na hindi bumabang tingin sa akin kasi ano ganun talaga Kahirap na hirap ako dati kay Donnie nung kay Toastmaster Donnie na, paano ba to? Hindi ako nabigyan ng leadership position. How can my speeches be about dynamic leadership or mga project implementation? Nunca, kumaga.
Pa. Yeah. And then Sir Mar, malapit na po yata kayo sa level 5. So, pa-prepare na lang ng mga projects na gagawin nyo for level 5.
By the way, yung tungkol sa MS, Motivation Strategy, di ba may diary roon na sinasabing 14 days of na journal?
Opo, and
Is it strictly being followed na August 1st to August 14 o pwedeng hindi naman magkakadikit na araw yun? Pwedeng overtime. Halimbawa, March 14, susunod April 14, sunod May 6, sunod pwede ba yun or ano?
sa akin naman po, kung ako tatanungin, ayoko maging strict pagdating sa ganun. Kung kailan, kasi lahat naman tayo may ibang ginagawa. So, kung kailan kayo maging available na isulat yung journal na yun. Para sa
I
iyo
mean, does it go with the speech or you can even make a speech na hindi mo na I mean, there is no, halimbawa, hindi mo natapos yung 14-day journal, nakaano ka lang, pero
ano,
the 5 days na nakagawa ka ng journal is enough for you to, parang alam ko na ang consequence, parang nakaano ka na ng, kung mabilis ang pick up mo, parang alam ko na ang mga susunod dyan or kahit na hindi ko pa nakumpleto, parang alam ko na paano gamitin yan.
for me,
Parang
okay
ganun.
lang yun. Okay lang yun.
Ha?
Okay lang yun,
Yes.
Sir Mar.
And yes, yeah, kaya nga, another thing is, siyempre, katulad ng iba, try new things. Kaya next 23, ano ba yun, next Saturday, ang iano ko is, nag-ano rin ako, gusto ko yung mga medyo malaman ko na speech sa ano ko, i-deliver sa may kawayan. Kaya yung iano ko sa kila
Waltz.
PM Volts sa Saturday is about icebreaker, engaging humor. Engaging humor.
Okay.
Yun ang kaya yung pwede ba yan yun ang binabala ko sa Saturday sa pag kinano. Icebreaker speech na engaging humor.
Ah, okay, good. Sige po.
Ah, at saka may question nga pala ako.
Yes po.
Dati, di ba 11 ang PATS?
Opo, ngayon 6 na.
Ngayon, 6 na lang. Paano yun? Hindi ka unfair yun doon sa mga naging distinguished Toastmaster na they have to go through the 11 parts versus yung mga tao ngayon, yung mga TM ngayon na makakumpleto ng 6 na parts lang ang
Hindi
i-complete.
naman. Hindi naman kasi ilan lang naman yung nakakumpleto ng 11 paths eh. Parang dalawa lang yata si Waltz siya si Bonnie. So, I don't think,
Hindi, akala ko requirements yung 11 parts na yun.
hindi po, ano lang, kung aling path yung gusto nyo na i-take, yun lang po i-take ninyo. Hindi siya requirement.
Pero hindi ko kulangin sa ilang part ng naano mo.
Ano po?
Hindi ko kulangin, at least how many parts ang dapat para maano ka?
Wala naman.
Wala naman.
Yes,
Baka,
okay.
baka inano niya yung DTM para maging Distinguished Toastmaster?
Ayun,
Ba?
ganun. Inaano ko. Kasi nga, biglang nakakursamahan ko dati 11 ang pass. Dati, you have to finish 11 versus hindi kaya unfair doon sa mga ngayon na 6 lang ang tatapusin.
So, para maging DTM kasi, you need to complete 2 paths. Ito lang. Plus the leadership projects like mag-area director, and then you
Ah,
also undergo club mentorship and club sponsorship.
Hmm.
mm.
Pero kailangan po kasi ang requirement maging at least area director ka.
Actually, hindi naman, ang goal ko nga is, hindi naman maghabol ng DTM, kundi just to be able to perform my job very well. Ganun
You're
lang.
performing
Yung
naman.
it will certainly come, kung halimbawa, yung pioneering na makapagtayo ka ng club, mga ganon.
Yeah. Ayun, pag pioneer na magtayo ng club, ang kailangan niyo pong kausapin dyan ay si Rai.
Oo.
Kasi siya ang area director eh.
Mm.
Kayo po mag-uusap ni Ray doon.
So yun lang na ano ko, of course, inaamin ko naman na hindi naman ako, may mga weaknesses din ako. I'm not, but I just hope that I can, kung ano man ang mako-compensate ko by other
Yep.
factors. Katulad nga nasabi ko, lahat game ako. Legwork, wag lang,
Dance number. Dance
uh,
number.
uh,
Ayun. So, thank you, Sir Mar. Ikaw,
uh,
how can we help you on your leadership?
just, ano, just by you lending the usual support. Of course, there will be things na I may be overlooking at, but I hope na makakapagpaalala naman katulad ng pagpapala nyo. Dati kasi hindi ako mahilig mag cellphone, kaya I'm not a member of any yung mga chat group, hindi ko
Yeah.
na yun lang naman ang ano ko, mga halatang hindi hindi
Eki.
hindi ano tawag doon, neti o neti.
Eki. Eki.
Oo,
Becky.
ganun. Mm. Yun lang naman ang makikita sa yun. And I hope na I hope hindi ka naman na-alarm doon sa sinabi ko sa iyo na an admission na sa tinagal-tagal ko ng pag-work sa opisina, hindi man lang ako naging nominate. Siguro bahagi ng office politics na puro rango kaagad ang naiisip pag de-designate ng chairman or lead person in this Oo. I was never made in my government offices. I was never made as a head of any technical working group.
Mhm.
This is your chance.
So, this
Ah,
is your chance. This is your
ah,
chance.
This is your
ah.
chance.
Basta,
Ang natatandaan ko lang naging presidente ako, ang huling time elementary,
elementary
but
first
that was
officer.
50 years ago. 50 years ago. Yun.
Yes. Ikaw naman, Betchay. Ikaw pa, how
Ako, gusto ko maging muse. I was
you,
never been...
why not? Di ba napapalit? News natin si
Nakakatawa.
Betchay.
No? Gusto niya, president. Ako, muse nga gusto ko kasi I was never nominated. Hindi,
Dito,
joke lang.
Pilipinas News.
Joke lang. Ako wala akong, kasi bago lang ako, so pinafamiliarize ko lang yung sarili ko. I was not even expecting to be an officer. Actually, that wasn't part really of my goal in Mechanical Masters. I just want to observe everyone, watch everyone, learn from each other. And what was your question? Di ko na.
Ayun, how can we help you
Ako.
for you to lead? Yeah.
I'm a keen observer. Help would be maybe I will ask if I need.
Mhm.
Kasi yung inspiration nyo lang for me would be enough. And anyway, I would like to take this opportunity because during my first visit at Bamboo Restaurant,
Okay.
you were all, actually, all of you, I've met there.
Mhm.
And you were very warm. So, kahit wala dun yung nag-endorse sa akin, si Doktora.
Yes.
Punta ako, last love kasi marapit lang naman. So, I've observed na you were all very warm. May warmth kasi. And all of the people there, especially you na officers, I met also Tita Lit or Presmar was there. You were also there. We were among the first persons na meet ko. So, nung napanood nga kita first time, galing na galing nga ako eh. Galing na galing ako kasi evaluator ka eh. Nagsalita ka din doon. So, galing na galing ako sa inyo. So, inspired ako na may ganito palang environment. So, how can you help me? Actually, you've helped me enough eh. I just need to put everything into practice.
Mhm.
There is one secret eh. I I started a week before, and yesterday I am having my own practice with my children.
Talaga.
Oh, binamock session ko sila. Mock session yung children ko. I have 3 children. So, I was inspired also by Sir Tito Dan na Palingga last week,
Yung
last induction.
induction.
Yes, I was amazed with his table topics and speech. I can also do that. So, nag-practice ako. Pinapractice ko lang.
Sila,
Siguro yun lang yung path na parang mas challenge pala ako doon sa table topics. So, kahit I want to actually say na I want to volunteer every time. Kasi gusto yun ng parang challenging kesa sa prepared speech. It's for me,
yeah.
yung parang extemporaneous table topics. I think it's more challenging for me, although hindi ko pa makuha yung framework for as a speaker, as an effective speaker for table topics.
Mhm.
Pero believe you me, it's included in my journal na na-delay ng mga ebook ko, pero I have.
Yeah.
Nahiya lang ako, hindi pa ako nagtatanong sa'yo.
Okay
Maybe,
lang.
kasi meron akong journal. Yun lang pala ang sinusunod ko kasi wala pa akong siguro 80% confidence.
Tanong ka lang ng tanong kasi ang kailangan talaga confidence. I mean, confidence talaga yung pinapractice din natin eh. Kasi may idea tayo, meron tayong message. Pero yung iba, less confidence. So ngayon, pinapractice natin yung confidence. Kasi yung message, kung may kwento ka naman sa sarili mo yung personal kwento, pwede mo lang i-deliver yon. Pero mas ma-deliver mo siya effectively kapag may confidence. How about you, Tita Lit? Tita Lit, are you there pa?
I will be sleepy, pero I'm really listening, trying hard to listen, and I'm learning more. Naririnig niyo pa ako, no?
Yes
Hindi ko
po.
Yes.
hindi ako makaalis dito. Hindi ako masyadong sanay sa cellphone. Mas gusto ko yung laptop, kaya lang hindi ko dala. Anyway, I'm just so glad that I'm a Toastmaster, and just by staying with the group, talagang alam ko sobra yung pag-asa to really grow, to be the best that you can be. Kasi meron tayong mga sinasalihan na ibang clubs, di ba? Pero hindi naman natin dinidiretso. Yung iba, Rotaract or Rotary, tapos halfway, talagang nag-give up sila. Pero yung Toastmaster, parang ito talaga ang commitment natin dito eh. Until the day we die. Parang ganun. Kasi nga, kitang-kita natin how helpful the club is. So, we're glad na dito nakukuha natin everything that we need. Inspiration, motivation, and yes, the challenge to be the best that we could ever be. Yes. Mark, may iba ka pa bang tanong? How can you help me if you're going to ask that same question to me? Well, I just let Toastmasters help me, and I just let the leaders who are every one of us change me, influence me. Dito talaga napaka-friendly yung atmosphere. Tama si Betcha, very warm at saka accommodating. So, we are in the best group. Kaya we will have to just commit and stay and just grow together.
Okay. Thank you, Tita Lit. Maganda pala itong in-experiment lang natin yung focus group discussion from the article sa magazine para tayo nagkakaroon ng Bible study or prayer meeting or cell
Sharing
group.
time.
Pero leadership, yung leadership or communication yung
Yeah.
topic.
Yes.
Ayun.
Yeah.
So,
Question pala.
yes.
At ang actually kung hindi lang ako busy lang ng past few days, I would like to kasi nagtanong ko kung sino may prepared speech, hindi naman ako naka-schedule dun sa mga susunod na nakita ko kasi yung yung parang meron ka ng invitation, mga susunod. So sabi ko, kukunin ko na lang yung next Saturday for prepared speeches para malang matapos ko yung
Yes, sige.
level.
Sige.
Kasi meron kang twice a month. So, except for this day, siguro yung susunod na Saturday, I will volunteer for uh, prepared speech. Hopefully, na-prepared na ako kasi hindi ako prepared.
Siyempre,
You have a week. You have a week to go. Yes.
dapat siguro magkaroon ng training din on how to do speech writing. No?
Uh,
Magkaroon ng ng ganung
Workshop. Oo.
workshop.
siguro yun, kasi kahit laging sinasabi before the meeting, yung parang framework kasi or structure na susundin, minsan hindi siya nag-i-stick kasi nag-iisip ka na ng sasabihin mo eh. So, kino-compile ko lang siya, pero ba't lagi ko nakakalimutan pag nag-speech ako? Especially the personal experience, to add on this personal experience. That one is yet I have to practice. Kaya ako nagjo-journal. Kasi maganda ngayon sa ebook mo, doon ko nga kinuha yun eh. So, almost every day I write. Pero minsan hindi ko pa rin nasasabi sa mga speech eh.
Nakakalimutan. Actually,
Nakakalimutan.
ang dami ng improvement ng mga members. Actually, I personally have improved in speaking. Simula nung first speech ko, nag-improve na rin. Siguro, witness naman si Tita Lit doon. And then kay Sir Mar, nag-improve talaga. Alam mo kung ano yung improvement, Sir Mar, sa'yo? Yung oras, yung time.
Yeah.
Kasi yung message talaga, meron kang message eh. Talagang meron, yung point talagang, nabibigay mo yung point. Yung time nga lang dati kasi mahaba. At least ngayon nalilimit mo. Di ba?
Thank you. At saka meron nga pala akong footnote to what I said, and what you said, na dati ang una kong dahil nga sa naging kasaysayan ng buhay ko, na ayoko namang, of course I will avoid saying sub-story. Kaya pagka yung nag-inject yung nire-request na injecting a personal story, nung mga bandang una, halos wala akong ma-inject kasi nga hindi naman naging makulay ang buhay ko dahil na because of mga tao na
Baka akala nyo lang yun.
hindi naging makulay
Naisip
ang
ko rin
buhay
yun
ko
eh.
because na-confine lang sa office that I never grew, I was never recognized, was never respected, parang ganun.
Hindi nyo lang na-document. Yun isa yan sa realization ko. Because I watch T.M. Mark's ebook writing. So, parang iniisip ko rin yun, Presmar. Sabi ko, wala naman significant sa buhay ko. Parang ganon. But as I write, as I journalize, na everyday kasi meron tayong iba't ibang learning eh. So, yun lang yung, kung ano yung learning ko during that day, or what I've read, what I've watched, who I met this day, yun ang sinusulat ko. So parang meron, pero hindi mo lang naisip kasi hindi mo lang dino-document. So pag binabalikan ko, siguro 1 month, meron akong parang journal. Meron naman nangyayari pala. Hindi ko lang nare-realize kasi it was never documented. I never documented it. So just like you, akala mo lang wala, pero meron.
Totoo yun. Kaya yun din yung kahalagahan ng journaling. At least, tama si Betchay. Ngayon ko lang din na-realize ko rin na journaling talaga. Even although, nga, sinasabi ko rin sa iba to journal. To journal. Pero ngayon lang ulit nag-echo sa akin na importante rin yung journaling para magkaroon ka ng story. Makapag-inject ka ng story na pwede mo gamitin sa speech mo or sa kung ano yung sinusulat mo.
Yeah.
Ayun. Po kasi meron akong ninote kasi kasi dun sa Sulu Advanced Toastmasters Club, nagbigay na educational talk si Neb Perez. Yung contestant natin sa World
International
speech of public speaking. Ayun, sabi niya, no need for a grand event naman in your life. Pwede mong ilagay sa speech mo yung particular moment when you needed help. Kasi yun, pwede magkaroon ng impact sa yung speech. Hindi kailangan ng grand event. Kahit yung konting event lang, maliit event lang, na kung saan mo kinailangan ng tulong. Tapos kung ano yung naging outcome nun. Kasi from those simple things, nagkakaroon ng malaking impact yung message mo tsaka impact din sa audience mo. And of
Yes,
course,
tama yun.
ayun, ganun. So, ayan. Okay. And then, balik ko lang yung topic sa yung sa speech ni Sir Mar kanina, yung evaluation, kasi napanood din ni Betchay, I think napanood din ni Tita Lit. Sir Mar, okay yung speech mo. Ano lang, lagyan mo next time, lalo na sa finals, tsaka sa mga susunod na speech contest, lagyan mo summary. Kasi 15%,
Ah,
15 points yung summary
oo.
sa judges ballot.
Oo. Siguro dapat mo pa-impress kasi baka 2 minutes and 14 eh. Kaya baka kung nag-summary ako, baka umabot sa ano eh. Iniiwasan ko.
Ang
Ako
summary,
ay i-ano lang natin.
oh,
How to compress it even more para may time ka para meron ka pang space para sa summary. Oh,
yes.
sige, that's a good suggestion.
Lagyan mo rin ng call to action yung sa huli, sa dulo. Basta
Aya, oo. Yeah, ang instinct ko na lang kanina eh. Maano ko yung sorry suggestion. Ganun na lang instinct ko. Red na.
kasi maganda maganda yung sinabi mo yung positive, tapos points for improvement.
Oo.
Dapat may summary. Tapos
Oo.
yung call to action ni test speaker.
Oo. Sige, sige, mabuti at meron pang panibagong chance. Buti
Try
meron.
natin mag-practice ulit online. Yung katulad ng ginagawa na lang natin na papadala
Ah,
ng video.
ah,
Ganun.
sige. Ayop, all of us, yun man lang, all of us magkaroon man lang ng ng place. Sa bawat category meron sanang pumasok sa
May kawayan.
Oo, yeah. Nakakadagdag ba yun ng points to distinguish yung mga gano'n na winning
Oo.
contest?
Hindi. Hindi siya kasama. Ano lang, pang add-on lang. Yan naman is talagang pang personal mo na sabi natin bragging rights na nanalo ka sa contest. Ganun. Pero yung as in distinguished Toastmasters, hindi eh. Hindi.
Hindi pare, hindi naman basta kung gusto mo lang siyempre.
Actually, may mga Toastmasters tayo na sinasabi sa akin, nung nag-aaral sila, hindi nagkaka-medal, hindi nagkaka-trophy, pero sa Toastmasters, nagkaka-trophy.
Oo, yan.
Nananalo, third place, second place, or first place.
Correct.
Oo,
No,
Ano yung
okay.
talent.
sorry, Tita Lit?
Yeah. Yeah, Talaga Toastmasters is the place for us to develop our talent.
Developer talent, actually, and collect trophies.
Yeah, yes, that's true.
Ayan. Okay. Meron pa po ba
Okay.
tayong ibang concern before tayo mag-end? Or tanong?
Where can we find, actually mag-research ako eh, yung complete framework na laging sinasabi sa Toastmasters. I don't know if it's in the website kasi hindi ko pa siya masyadong inaano. Mag-research pa lang kasi ako. Kasi meron past, present, future.
Yung
Merong
Yung sa table topics.
marami kasing ano ba to? Structure or framework. May sinabi pa si Tito Dan, nakalimutan ko na.
Pattern.
May
speech
pattern. Wala ba tayong parang cheat sheet? Cheat sheet.
Hindi ako kay Jeff eh. Kasi meron siyang naka-PowerPoint.
Meron.
Jeff na lang.
Draft niya lang. Actually, maghahanap kasi ako, yun ang assignment ko for today.
Actually, kay Jeff, parang kompleto naman yun eh.
Yeah, oo, si Jeff.
Na meron siya.
Message siya lang si Jeff kapag
Yun lang.
Kasi parang wala nga sa website ng Toastmasters yun eh.
Mm-mm.
Kanya-kanya lang na pulot ng kanya-kanyang gather ng information from other clubs, from the trainings.
Oo. Pero naghahanap lang ako ng something I can go back to. Kapag nawawala ka na sa topic or sa speech, yung just something na gusto ko lang lagyan ng parang structure Ayun.
Yun.
Laging comment sa akin yun eh, kung ano na sinasabi ko kasi.
Ay, sige.
Ayun lang.
Ganyan ang pinaka-technique sa sa table topics para mas captivating story
Mm.
messaging. Tapos pansin namin sa mga speech contest, kapag pag prepared speeches, mas malaki ang edge ng comedy, yung
Ah, yung
comedy
humorous.
prepared sa table topics para mas malaki yung mas marami yung probability ng nanalo kapag dramatic.
Pag table topics, dramatic. Kapag, yun yung isa.
Pag
International is
international, pag prepared, humorous yung datingan.
Yung
Yun yung
pag-prepared.
pansin namin ha, based on statistics na gawa-gawa lang namin, para mas maraming nanalo kapag nakakatawa ang prepared, tapos dramatic ang table
Table
topics. Siguro dahil mahirap magpatawa kapag table topics din.
Mm-mm.
Kaya walang
A different kind of skill pag table topics kung mahirap mag-isip kagad ng humorous eh.
Oo. Kaya
Napaka-abot ng time, 1 to 2 minutes.
totoo. Kaya ang technique to, dapat meron ka talagang baon sa isip mo na kwento.
Mm. Mm-mm. Okay.
Ayun. So I think we're all good na, no?
yes, we're all good.
Ano lang, magkita-kita lang tayo sa speech contest sa Saturday. Hopefully manalo tayo, kasama tayo.
Hopefully, maging finalist lahat tayo.
Finalist. Kung hindi, okay lang.
Mm.
Hindi siya kabawasan.
August 23 yan. So,
August
good luck po sa inyo lahat.
Oh,
Thank you. And
thank
then,
you, Mark. And ano,
my pleasure. And then, regular meeting, 26 ba? August 26.
Oo. I reminded you that it's supposed to be may role taker yata ako pero hindi ko alam. But I won't be... pero dadaling ko lang yung laptop pero I'm not really sure.
Okay, sige.
Nasa Bataan ako nun eh.
Okay.
Nasa Bataan.
Sige. Okay. At least may advice. Thank you for the advice. Okay, I think we're good. So we can end na. Thank you for
thank
participating
you.
sa WMS.
Picture. Hindi ako makabalik doon sa
Picture.
group. Pero pwede naman tayo mag-picture. Siguro makakasama rin ako. Kasi hindi na ako stuck na ako dito sa para ako nasa palayan para akong titaklong dito. Pati damit ko, green
Pero
din.
ang ano nyo po, wala po kayo, naka-off po yung camera nyo.
Ganun? Ganun pala. Hindi ko na mahanap yung...
Naka-stop video ang ano ha.
Hindi na ako makaalis eh. Ayaw mo na nga.
Pero nandito naman po yung picture nyo.
Kaya na, teka.
Yung profile. Ayan.
Yan. Ay, nako. Ewan ko. Teka, kung mapapalabas ko yan. Sandali. Hindi ko mapalabas yung video.
Maya mag-grocery na ako.
After this?
Yes. Kasi from morning contest, tapos tanghali merong isang invite ako na evaluator sa isang club. Ayan, sa Palayan si Tita Lit. Okay, smile.
Smile.
1, 2. Okay. Send ko na lang.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thanks to all.
Thank you rin po.
Happy weekend.
Weekend.
Lahat.